Hello everyone. Today I'm making this video just to answer few questions that I'm getting continuously. Like every DM I have, those people are asking me 4 to 5 questions about quality, about COD, shipping charges, and all basic questions. So I thought of making this video so that I can clear all the doubts in this particular video. And when the people are asking me, I don't have to answer again and again. I can just share this video and you can watch this video too and get your all your queries cleared out. So basically you'll be seeing some of my stuff also in this video, and meanwhile you'll be answering some questions that I have noted down. Okay, every person is asking me that question. So basically I'm not a YouTuber or something like that. I'm just making this video so that in one video I can clear up all the questions that I am continuously getting, and I have to again and again message and tell you guys. Okay, so I'll be showing you some of my stuff also. So let me show you like a few of my best pieces that I have. See, basically we have a very limited stock. If you are seeing this video and coming to me and taking a screenshot and telling me that is this available, please guys, let me answer this first question only that all the available pieces are there in my highlights. I have maintained 2 highlights. Go to my page, you will see 2 highlights of in stock name there. All the available pieces with size mention on them. Particularly I'm mentioning size also. Okay, this is available. So you can see the available pieces there only. Now coming back to showing you the quality, this is my first piece that I want to show you. I'm in love with this color. I don't know what this color basically is called. It's a shade of a brown, but this is a very amazing color you have. See, this is warm winter coat and you're getting at this price. The quality, we are not compromising with the quality at all, and it has buttons. This is called double breasted. Basically this pattern is called double breasted because it has 2 buttons on this side and 2 buttons on this side. With the pockets, see, it also has astar. So this is one of the color. This is one of my favorite color actually. So I already answered the first question. Now most frequently asked second question to me is about COD. So why not COD? So this is the black color coat. Same thing, black color coats are specifically like these I'm showing you are the long length coats, like full length coats. My height is not that much. One question again I got that what is the height of the model? It's not a model, it's me wearing them and clicking the pictures for you guys. My height is 5'1" and I am wearing them all, so you can check the length of the coats accordingly. Like length will be same for all coats, only chest sizes changes. That size chart you can get from me. This is the second color. This is also a very pretty coat. See, it has pockets. It comes few of the one question that is this all the coats are having belt or not? भाई जिस coat की picture पे लिखा है with belt, only that coat is having belt. Please be clear guys. अच्छा next की बात करते हैं. This is a this is very amazing piece. This is so as I told you, all the collection are not from brands. Like we are importing them from Korea. So few of them like जो भी वहाँ manufacture होता होगा. So we get few pieces of H&M. जैसे ये H&M का है. This is of H&M. You can check the tag also. Comes with the proper tag and everything. And the quality is the quality you're getting at this price. Nobody else can give you that. I can assure you for sure. And this is Shein coat, and I'm loving this coat. I have already kept this coat for myself also. This is a very good color. कह लो इसको बेज तो नहीं कह सकते हम. It's also a shade of brown. Again, it comes with belt, or whatever coat is having belt, it will be mentioned again. Please go and check my highlights for the available pieces. So it comes with pockets too. And I was talking about COD. Why not? So while showing this, why not COD? Let me answer that question also. Like we are small business. We just started our business. We are not Myntra and Amazon. We have our separate courier service. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. We are connected to the local courier service which are available. See, this is one of the other piece and color. You can check this out also. So we are connected to basic private courier services. So they are charging on every packet. They are charging some extra amount from us. Okay. So maybe 300 and 400. They're charging that extra amount from us for COD amount. And when we send it on COD, many customers they are refusing the they are refusing to collect the parcel. So that comes on us also, like we have to bear that shipping also, and 300 COD का जो हमने extra दिया है, that also we have to pay. So that every 700 will come to us only. And few customers are saying, okay, I am ready to pay extra charges, please मुझे COD दे दो. भाई हम connected ही COD से नहीं है. We are giving only prepaid orders. Please try to understand our point also. There is a reason we are not giving